Yeah, after some time, you kind of know when they jump. I think it's a small guy. So you see it when I'm fighting the fish, like, and he's pulling line out. I don't reel because there's no point. He's like overpowering your lure. Actually, this one, it's kind of big. It's like I'm snagged, but is it actually? What the?
Oh! What?
What the?
In this adventure, we head out to a backcountry lake that I've never fished before. There is almost no information on this lake online, but we like to figure things out. To get into this lake, we must portage the canoe to get in, which is why it's not fished often. So stay tuned to see if we can figure out this wilderness lake.
Does it work?
That's comfortable.
Okay. Okay, this is a good landing. I don't remember the path looking this bad. Oh, okay. 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 Oh, look. It's a walleye. Looks... Whoa! It's alive! Oh, I want to see if I can catch a fish. Oh, look at him. He's so weird. Oh, yeah. Whatever. Let's see if I let him go. I don't think he's just so bent. So he's like super deformed. Like, oh like, I don't think he was going to. I think he was going to die. He was in there for a while. No, I think just leave it for food. It's gonna be food for a bear or something. So whatever. Let's keep going. I can't balance on that. I feel.
Bugs are bad.
Come on, hurry. Just the bugs are bad. Oh, watch out. I'm just going to step over this thing. I guess. Here. No, we're gonna cast ashore. Simon, take this. Okay, this is Simon. I don't know. Yeah, just cast at the shoreline. Actually, it's not that deep here, but. Oh! Really? First cast. Oh. Oh, it's a pike. We'll try this one now. If we don't think it's working, we can switch. Oh! Wow. Oh, it's a bass. Can you lift it into the boat? Or do you want me to swing it here? I'll unhook him. Let me know if you can...
Should I just leave the cap off, come on?
Yeah, kind of. I don't know if you need to get a replacement tube, let me know. Okay. It's a lot easier from the back.
It's at least I can angle it.
Yeah. Oh! Oh! How big is it? Oh!
Is it?
Alright, so I'm gonna put this to the side. Oh, it's a good one. Like, it's not a master angler, but it's not like... Wow. Cameron really gives it a lot of time. Okay, got it. Okay, throw it back. Okay, I'm back. I know. But
You can do both craft.
There you go.
Big or small?
Smaller. But sometimes you don't really know. Oh! Yeah. That was bigger. Yeah? No. Yeah. So tiny. So.
Oh.
Okay, yeah. See the weeds here. Oh, big? Okay. More line between the net.
Lost it.
That's a big one. Oh, okay. I guess it is productive. Like, it is some. It is structure. Yeah, I mean, we should... I don't think it's...
Small?
Okay, off. Oh!
Oh, I saw it.
Oh, he took it again! How dumb do you have to be to do that? Okay. Oh. I'm trying to get him on. Good. I think. All right. Good. Good job.
Like I have a camera in over my.
To give them a bit more time, but sometimes they swallow. Like you can wait like 2 seconds and then set the hook, but that's risky sometimes.
Okay, so what do I need to do when I do it?
Okay, so yeah, you bring it in, let it sink for well, but because we're going a bit deeper, you let it sink a bit, and so you lift and then shake it, I guess, or like shake it up. I can't. I can't. I think you'll figure it out. Oh, that's shaky. That's shaky. He's in the weeds. That's oh, what? Oh, is that a? It's a walleye.
Nice. You brought no stringer.
Nope.
I know.
What do we do? You know what? I can. Okay, we'll net that one first. Okay, pass me the. Give me the net. No, not like pass me the net. Put this side to the front.
Do I let it swim?
Oh, is that a walleye or a bass?
It's huge.
It's a good bass. Okay, okay, get into the surface, but if it jumps, remember to lower the rod tip. I'm trying to track him. He's in the weeds, that's why he feels a bit bigger, maybe. But leave some distance between the, so I can like net him. Like, oh, that's a big one. That's a big one. Oh! What the? I'll unhook this one. This might be a master angler. I'm not kidding, it might be. No, it's not, but I think it'll be very close. It's like this one, we couldn't even eat this walleye, honestly. It's like slightly too big.
Oh, that's huge.
Okay, let's throw them back.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, is it dead?
I think they're okay. That's a big walleye.
That was funny.
Yeah.
The bass took the water.
What? Oh, no, he's fine. They're fine. And you keep putting your thumb into it, it kind of scratches up your thumb over time. So then there's this thing called bass thumbs, and people take a picture of their thumb at the end of the day.
Yeah, I got the teeth.
Oh.
Totally got that.
I don't think it's like huge, but we'll net it. Because they fight so hard. Like a walleye that size would not fight this hard. That's a good one. This is nothing. Beautiful.
Peppy?
Okay. 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 I'll still net. Oh, I'll go keep this out of the way.
Is it?
Yeah, it's good. Come on, I want that Senko back. Do you want me to just release them for you?
Yeah.
Okay. I want to keep this. Okay, good. Okay, I'll hook this back on for you. I guess there's more fish here still, Kaimon.
Should we circle around?
Oh, okay. Also, when the it's still there,
What?
Okay. When the fish,
When you hear the reel?
when you hear it pull out, that means that
Fighting.
oh, it's a pike.
Oh, it's dead.
Okay. You know what? Let some more line. Bring it to
No,
me.
I haven't.
Bring it to me. I don't want it. I don't want this thing in the boat. Like the only
Wow. People hate pike.
yeah.
The only one in the area.
Yeah, I don't want it in the boat.
You guys were fishing for trout, right?
Yeah, I mean, I'll be honest, like trout are way more valuable than. Yeah, after some time, you kind of know when they jump. I think it's a small guy. So you see it when I'm fighting the fish, like, and he's pulling line out. I don't reel because there's no point. He's like overpowering your lure. Actually, this one, it's kind of big. It's like I'm snagged, but is it actually? What the?
What?
What the? No way! Yeah, this is something that happens in the wilderness. Oh, come on, you're gonna do your best. Oh, aw, oh. Hey, keep him. Keep.
Different types, or is it?
Aw.
Wait, how did that happen?
Okay, fine. I wish we'd netted them both. I'll see. We'll see. We'll look at it. Oh yeah, you can kind of see a bit of an injury.
So it was bitten by the other one?
It got bitten by a pike. That was a pike.
Bigger pike.
A bigger pike. Oh, fish? Oh yeah, that's a fish.
Wait, that's my lure!
Yeah, I know.
Idiot. Oh,
No,
it's still on the line.
That's what we hate because it's expensive. Yeah, it's expensive when they do that. Ah, okay. Ooh. Yeah, keep it on. No. Don't ever get it onto the surface, and I'll come underneath. Like the safe way to do it. Yeah.
Small guy.
Little guy. Yeah, tiny. It's a walleye. It's fine. I'll take care of it. Don't worry. Don't worry.
That's small.
Oops, sorry. Okay, so yeah.
Oh.
Okay, that's fine. It's or loose rocks are good. Wow. No. Oh. Get my ass out. Oh no. Oh.
Yeah.
It's a northern pike. Yeah, I have a northern pike. How big is your bass coming? Oh!
Mine.
No, never mind. That's a bass. Okay. Oh, we'll try. Okay. I'll try. Whoa! You got my. Hey, that's one. Take that. Now my.
Well, I thought
I told you, like, I saw that shoreline. I was like, yeah, this is a good shoreline. Okay. This is a bigger bass. Like. Sorry. You're good. Wow. Okay, they're both unhooked. They're not like huge, but yeah.
I don't really need a picture.
Should we turn it?
no, it's fine.
Okay. Now let's throw them back.
More about the memories.
Yeah. Or like on the last package.
Have everything.
Oh. Okay. Come on. Here, come on. Bring him here. Oh, is that? What is? It's a. Oh. What? Okay. It wasn't huge.
I lost it.
Yeah.
Every cast. Whoa.
Oh, it's not that big. I need a stronger rod than this one.
I have a picture last now.
What the heck? This is a better sized actually. Okay. Oh, you know Kylan, like he takes like. Is it big?
Oh, I wish I caught that.
Ah.
You guys don't make it dramatic enough that I don't film.
Yeah, I think this is a big one. I'm gonna help him. Okay. Yo. Come on, this might be master angler. Like, I would consider measuring this one. Yeah, that's it's a big bass.
What do you need?
It's a 17.
What do you need for a master?
18. He's so close. 17 and a half.
Put it in.
Yeah, get go back.
Back around?
Yeah.
Okay. You know how they get these in here? They airlift them. Hopefully it's not too bad.
Okay.
Yeah,
Bass.
it's a bass. It's a good one. Trying to keep him off the rocks.
Yeah.
He's been staying down a lot though. He only did the initial jump. All right, yeah. I don't want him to rub on the rock. Okay, sorry. I know. He's just bulldogging. Oh!
You lost it?
Yeah. Hey, you want to see a little fish?
I caught one who goes last time.
Oh, nice.
I named him Fred.
Okay, who are you going to name him?
Joe.
Okay, well, we're going to throw Joe back
Hi, Joe.
because he doesn't taste good. All right. Better. Oh. Do you lose the whole thing or? Nice. Big? Doesn't seem. You want a net? Oh. Yeah, there's lots of weeds here.
Whoa!
This is a good one. This is a good one. Nice. That's big. I'll trust you. Throw them back. Nice. Yeah, Tom's got one. How big? Ready? Oh, nice. That's a very good colored one. That one, that's like, I wouldn't say master, but pretty close.
No, it's okay.
Okay, you sure? Fine.
Canoe trip, right?
Yeah.
No, it's small. I'm okay. I think I'm okay. Oh, it got bigger. Oh. Yeah, I got it. That's okay. Oh, shoot. It took it deep. Hang in there.
Snake.
Okay, we'll get.
It's probably a walleye. I always think walleyes are snakes.
I don't. The
I
walleye.
would not jump.
Oh, then it's fast.
It's a big one. Get them onto the surface.
They're real?
No, do not reel anymore. Just lift him on. Yeah. So whenever I do that, he gets scared. There we go. Oh, this is huge. Okay. Good. Oh, that's big. He's almost 18, like just under. This looks really good. So now, please.
Can I chuck them in?
Yeah, you can throw him back.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah, that's a fish. It's a walleye.
Big one, right?
Big one. Well, not like big, but like. That's pretty nice, Kong. Oh well. Yeah, throws in the weeds. So I'll let him go. Okay. Oh. I think it's a weed. Nope. Never mind.
No. So it's always with these small rocks.
What?
The beach.
What do you mean?
These small
Like the
rocks.
small rocks.
At that line.
It's blood. He took it really deep. He's okay. He's okay. Nah.
Whoa!
It's not huge, this one.
It's a flopper drop.
They're very hard to net. Like, thanks. Oh shoot!
Got stuck? Wait, oh no. Oh, it's like
There's a hole in the net.
the
I'll,
rod.
must be pretty recent. Okay. Okay, throw it back. Oops. You know those what's it called? I'll take care of it. Don't worry.
Well, I get tired.
They have so much energy. Like, actually, this is slightly bigger than that. Oh,
Not big. Not big enough.
it's like 16 inches. Yeah.
Oh. I need another power bank.
Worst case scenario, I do have another power bank, but the thing is, I zip tied this. Oh!
Another one? How? You're doing filming.
I was.
Oh.
It's gonna film.
How easy.
This happened like twice already.
Oh, sorry. I'm not. Can't even like.
It's all good. I know. Lots.
Your lure in the water.
Yeah. Oh, count. Oh! Oh, he's got a big one. Oh!
Oh!
That's big, that's big. Okay. I'm gonna have to watch this hole in the net. Okay. They just want to end him. Throw it back. But they all disappeared.
Big?
I don't think so. Oh, what? Oh,
Oh? Hi.
it's a pike, yeah. Yeah. I feel like that island could have potential for fish. Oh! That's the...
Oh.
Okay, there you go. Oh. Can you handle it yourself? Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh, please. Okay. I don't know. Yeah, he's fine. No!
What? Same dude? Chill, bro.
As soon as I just really... What?
That's so dumb.
That's so dumb.
Same.
No, it's a different one.
What the heck? Oh my goodness.
Don't need to swim now. Okay, good. But did I get hit right away?
What do you think?
No. Wow. Oh. I'm just kind of hoping it does. Come on, come on! You're on. It's a lead, right? Nope. Okay, mine's is there. Yours.
Why is it always getting...
Okay, fine. You're tired out now. Good. Oh wow. Do you get it? Okay, good. Okay, it's not pretty, but whatever. Oh, yeah, that's a fish. Set the hook earlier, Kaiman, just even if it means that you might lose him.
How many chances do you think this fish is gonna get?
Go, set.
Oh, you lost it.
Still.
How many will it happen to you? Oh my god!
What an idiot.
Ooh. Can you manage some more?
Yeah, this one left.
How many chances does that fish give me?
Like 7? Oh, I got it. Okay, good. I think it's small. Yeah. Well, that's coast. Take a few shots at this island. Just makes it get it over with fast. Yeah, I think that's it for me. Let's just drink a bunch of water.
Well, that was an amazing adventure. Water that is rarely fished will have super aggressive fish. I'm glad we decided to put the effort to find out about this amazing fishery. It was nice to have a lake all to ourselves without the busy summer traffic. It definitely took a lot of work to get into this lake, but perhaps someday in the future we'll revisit this lake. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.